a risk ratio or a relative risk. This is very important effect size in public health research. To assess the association between two binary variables, mainly for cohort study or clinical trial, we estimate risk ratio. This is example data. But my question, how to estimate in R? It's really very easy using log binomial regression. So type GLM, then our outcome variable is disease, and independent or exposure variable is smoking. Smoking data is equal to dat3 and family. This is very important. Family is equal to binomial. Binomial, just link will be log. Now we will make a table, TBL regression exponent is equal to true. Since our link is log, so we need to reinverse. Anti-log means exponential. If we run, any error, no error, so we get the table. This is risk ratio. So using this syntax or using this package, we can easily estimate the risk ratio. We can add other variable, for example, here SES, SES. So urban, rural. Maybe there is a problem of SES variable, so urban, rural. Yeah, urban, rural. So using this procedure, we can estimate a risk ratio. So we have discussed how to estimate risk ratio using log binomial regression. Sometimes we need to apply modified Poisson regression. So if you would like to learn this, then you can enroll the course. I have shared the link. So if you use this link, then you will get 50% discount.